Welcome back everyone to a new guide video. In this video, let's take a look at the way that you use Gemini on Android. Now there are two things that you can do in this situation. If you have an Android, you can head over to the Play Store and then search for Gemini. Once you search for Gemini, you can see this application. Just install it on your phone and the app will be visible. Once the app is visible, you do not need to log into Gemini. If you have a Google account already logged in on your phone, you will be automatically logged into Gemini as well. Through this interface, you can now start chatting and using Gemini AI. Secondly, if you don't want to install the application, you can also use the web version. Open up a web browser, search for gemini.google.com, and as I said earlier, if you have a Google account, you do not need to log into it. You will be automatically logged in. It is going to be the same interface as well, where you can start chatting or generating images. So that was a video about the way that you use Gemini on Android. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up. If you guys are interested in more future videos just like this, make sure you hit that notification bell.